Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mindyourcrypto. This is the most important video I have made for Ethereum. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription and of course send me a personal message in Telegram. You can find the link in the description box. So we have enabled the crypto payments for the monthly. You can pay with any cryptocurrency you like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Ethereum against USDT chart. As you can see right now, we have the Ethereum at 148. What are we going to do next? And of course, the weekly close. Was it important? Are we going further down? What are we going to do? We are going to discuss many things. That's why I want to start a little bit with what Ethereum against USDT chart had in the weekly close. It was very bearish. And of course, I was expecting this today, the little bit of a buying pressure, so we can prepare for a long institutional gap in the weekly frame. What are we going to do now? It is to form a weekly gap, a weekly institutional candlestick, following by a huge sell pressure from the Feds, probably pushing the price down to even minus 10% in just 1 week, maybe even more from here. Okay, we are going to have the support and resistance levels, but first let's go to something very bearish. And this is the part that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart was so very sad. We couldn't hold the support level that we talked about. Remember when we were talking about wait for the weekly close, do not enter. Let's see what is the weekly close going to do here. And it disappointed us. Okay, the weekly close was not good. I'm expecting Ethereum against Bitcoin chart to fall down even more in the weekly frame, and I'm expecting a good correction coming in towards maybe even the near point 070. This is another minus 10 to minus 7 to minus 8% correction for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. This will mean though Ethereum, especially if BTC drops more, Ethereum will be dropping more as well. So the weekly close was very bearish. We couldn't keep the support level of the 0.073. Ethereum totally failed, and Ethereum against Bitcoin chart might undergo a nice and long bearish movement towards the next few weeks. For September could be the case that we are going to have a nice correction for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Now, what this will mean for Ethereum against USDT chart, I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop down to the 90.2k for sure, and from there we are going to see if we go even lower for Ethereum against USDT. This will mean that we go all the way down towards the 1338 and possibly towards the 1250 to 1.2k. So this line right here should be a reinvestment area for Ethereum against USDT chart over the next few days, over the next few weeks. As I told you, I'm not expecting much in the weekly frame. I'm expecting a long institutional gap, just like we had back there. You can see the institutional push the price down minus 11% in just 1 week. I'm expecting another correction for Ethereum. I'm expecting that Ethereum won't be able to go all the way up, although I'm expecting as well Ethereum not to reach the lows of 885 so easily. What I mean by that is that, yeah, we are going to have probably these levels of around 1250 and so on, but from here it is very likely that Ethereum will undergo a huge buying pressure again, going back all the way maybe to the 167 and so on. So I'm expecting a correction, but not the correction that many people expect. For example, many people are saying that Ethereum is going down from the 700 USDT. I personally do not think that for the time being, but yes, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart as well as Ethereum against USDT chart is not looking healthy for the next few weeks. Now, what do we need to do in the daily frame? I think that today and maybe tomorrow, maybe until the middle of this week, we are going to be semi-bullish. Okay, we are not going to have much of a volume to the downside. Probably we are going to go sideways, a little bit upside, a little bit downside. But anyway, we are going to remain here until the next by the end of the week, that we are going to have the real selling pressure, towards the 1338 and so on. This is my personal take in the crypto market right now. Of course, other altcoins are going to follow the same direction. They are going to pump a little bit over the next 1 to 2 days, and from there they are going steadily to slow down, to correct from there, okay, and possibly form the institutional gap on the weekly frame. Huge sell pressure from the institutions, getting all these profits and pushing the price even further down. For Ethereum, these are the major support levels you have to look at for the next few days. And of course, I won't be going into the 4-hour frame for now. Actually, we can discuss a little bit about the Ethereum and the 4-hour frame. Look at that Ethereum right here, having a little bit of, in the logarithmic scale, a little bit of a sell pressure near the 20-day MA, and in the non-logarithmic scale, they are the same as well. Okay, you can see that we are having huge bullish RSI divergence coming in the 4-hour frame. This could push the price a little bit further higher. The price analysis though is not looking that crazy strong. I have to tell you that the price analysis is not looking that crazily strong, although Ethereum could manage to have the 1546 in the next target as the next target right here. Ethereum, yeah, could manage to go up, but we have one more resistance level sitting at near the 20-day MA, which is at around 1.5k. This is why you should be careful a little bit around here. The next one, 1546, and from there, possible to go all the way back down, form the institutional gap, and go even further down. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription because we accept crypto payments right now, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.